Hi, we're Siyavash and Rob, and you may remember us from the YouTube. Who could forget such hits such as How to Operate Your Neighborhood Vending Machine, or Pagers? Tomorrow's Future, Today.
In this video, Healthy from Home, Tips for the Home Office, we'll be teaching you how to be healthy from home with tips for your home office.
Create a welcoming environment by utilizing the benefits of plants, both for their pleasing visuals, but also their companionship.
Be sure to adjust your seat and your work environment for maximum efficiency, comfort, and performance.
Be sure to have adequate computer equipment such as dual monitors for presentations and organization.
Get those fingers nice and toasty using a portable space heater. Pump up those sneakers because it's recommended to get at least 150 minutes of moderate to vigorous physical activity.
Or even just being outdoors. You never know what crazy adventures you'll find.
Break up long periods of sitting by standing for work at a 1-to-1 ratio.
Use a Pomodoro timer to take a 5-minute break after 25 minutes of work.
Get jiggy with a friend and go for a nice walk.
Also be sure not to just wear sweats every day, you silly goose.
And finally, engage in social interactions with a friend.
Well, Siyavash,
Sure seems like we learned a lot today, Rob.
booyah!
Surf's up.
See you on the net.